What's up everyone, and welcome back to another honest project review. This time today we're going to focus on dark Web3. These guys have got a little bit of a sketchy name, but don't worry, there's nothing illegal about this project. They've actually got a really interesting utility, which is why I wanted to share it with you guys today. And so let's get into it. So basically what these guys are a Web3 based browser. So they're like, imagine Firefox or Chrome, or Brave, anything like that, but they are completely focused on Web3 decentralization and obviously crypto adaptability as well. You'll be able to download their browser straight from their website. Here you can see here they're going to have a desktop version as well as a mobile version, and it will be completely compatible with their wallet and also with MetaMask as well. So you'll be able to connect both of them and then exchange funds between there. And then obviously you'll be able to use that browser to use any sort of decentralized application or anything like that. So let's get into more detail about the decentralized part and the privacy as well, which their browser offers. So I've got a little video, just going to watch that for a couple of seconds. It's only about 30 seconds long, I think, so just going to quickly watch that. And there you have it. So yeah, the video looks pretty cool. They put a nice effort into the website, and the website's looking good too. So yes, as you can see, so it's basically a decentralized web browser and also really focusing on privacy. You're going to see here, like you can stop sharing your IP address. So it basically has a built-in VPN. It stops people from being able to see your IP address, but then also you'll be able to visit websites which may be restricted in your country. You can then sign in to the website, from a different country. And then it has their wallet attached as well, or you can sign in with your MetaMask, like I was saying before. Has a little chart here. It says what's a dark free basically has to offer then compared to other web browsers. And you can see here, how much stuff lacks in other web browsers that aren't specifically made for crypto. So I guess you can basically compare this project to something like Brave browser or Presearch if you're familiar with any of those two projects. Apart from the fact that I don't think adverts are included. So in Brave browser, for example, you're paid on how many adverts you keep popping up on your screen. But I think dark free, you're just going to be paid out in their token just for simply browsing. So yeah, let's go move over onto their presale page. These guys are on pinksale for the presale, and they are doing a fairlaunch method, which has started as of yesterday, I believe, and they're currently only on 33 BNB, which isn't very much, which is a good thing because obviously it's better to start a lower market cap for investors because it's got more potential to go to the upside. However, there still is a day and 6 hours left, so obviously this number can go up a lot higher during that time period. These guys did make the effort to get all 3 badges on pinksale, the safety, the audit and the KYC, so we can be sure that at launch there won't be any sort of malicious stuff going on. Say low tax, I did look into the taxes, and the taxes will be 0% on buys and there will be 5% on sells. It's a low tax token, which is another important feature as well. And let's go down to the unlocking. So they only have a very small amount of tokens unlocked, and you can see here that the token unlocks are going to start happening next month. So you have that to keep in mind as well if you are looking at this project as a long-term hold. You can see here these guys did a little quick free audit, and they can't blacklist, they can't set max transaction amount, the fee, they can't pause trading, they can't do anything malicious, even when they get hold of the contract in a couple of weeks' time. And so I really like the utility behind this one. That's why I wanted to share it with you guys. It's something I'm definitely going to keep my eye on for the next 24 hours. A lot of these fair launches that I'm sharing with you guys at the moment, these decentralized exchanges or launch pads and stuff like that, I'm not criticizing them, but I do think that the crypto market at the moment is really oversaturated with that kind of stuff. We've already got a million different launch pads and a million different decentralized exchange, and we don't really need more of that in this space, and I think that's why a lot of those projects are struggling. However, these guys have really came up with kind of a unique utility that we haven't seen 100 times over yet. So I think this could definitely become an advantage for these guys. So yeah, I'm interested to see how this fills up. Obviously, I will stick all the links in the description of these videos. You can go check out for yourself and obviously make your own decision, the website, the pre-sale link and stuff like that. And yes, I think I've covered everything that I wanted to talk about on this project, guys. So as always, if you are new here, please do like and subscribe. I'm almost at 1k subscribers, so every little helps. And also, if you are interested in learning about more upcoming DeFi projects, airdrop opportunities and all that kind of good stuff, then also I will leave a link from my Discord in the description below. And usually I post about these things first over there before I make videos on YouTube. And yeah, so okay guys, thanks for listening as always, and until next time, bye.